Dr. Lakshmi Kumari और इनकी टॉपिक है Learnings from Dr. AP Awards for the Best Speaker for Abdul Kalam Youth Leadership Awards, and that is going to be announced right now with you with the very much excitation. I would like to invite Ms. Intija Karim, President 2.0 KYLC, to name that person who has been the winner of Best Speaker Award and Kalam Youth Leadership Award this year. Miss Intija Karim, you are always invited. Please come, ma'am. Miss Intija Karim.
Thank you, Vipul, and good evening to everyone. I hope you all are having a wonderful day both yesterday and today. So now I'm going to start announcing the list of the best speakers of each session, and after that the achievers who have achieved the Abdul Kalam Youth Leadership Award. So, to start up, first of all, I would like to request all the delegates to mute their mics for a moment. It would be a great support if you will be doing that. Please mute your mics for the moment. So then everything will be audible.
Everybody, please mute your mic. Everybody, please mute your mic because you are also waiting for the results. And the result of Best Speaker Award and Abdul Kalam Youth Leadership Award is going to be announced. Please, everybody, mute your mic. Yes, continue, ma'am. Please continue.
Okay. So, first of all, I would like to give a word before announcing the best speakers. Actually, yesterday, after the webinar was over, still we were receiving presentations and we were asked to give them a chance. But to be honest, we had set a deadline and we have requested everybody who applied before July 18th to send their presentations or abstracts if they were interested in becoming a speaker. So all these abstracts and the PowerPoint presentation sent to the judges and they have reviewed them and according were given. So that's choosing the winners. We have given an instructions list to everyone mentioning the time period you need to keep your presentation in. Also, we announced if someone have taken less than the time, or if someone have gone over time, they will be disqualified due to the time matter. So therefore, although some presentations were really in good standing, they were disqualified because some have gone up to 9 minutes. So then it's like it was hard to give excuse, because what we said is take up to 7 minutes, and once you reach 7 minutes, try to conclude your speech. So time management is very important, especially in a webinar, because whole day everybody can't keep on listening to your whole speech. So due to this reason, some really good presenters lost their chance, and we had to go for the second speaker to give the award.
So, Intiza ma'am, just a minute. Your voice is breaking.
Okay.
Everybody, please mute your mic. Everybody, please mute your mic so that we can listen Intija ma'am very well, because the announcement of the results is going on, and if the name would not be clear, then it will be a confusion for everybody. So please mute your mic. Please, I request everybody, please mute your mic.
Right. So. Please mute your mic. You can give your suggestions at the end, because we'll be having a feedback session, and during that feedback session you'll be able to give all your ideas. There's no any issue. So for now I need everybody to maintain silence. So before announcing the names, I would like to call upon Mr. Munna Kumar, Dr. Archana Bhattacharjee, then the secretary of KYLC team, Kantariza, the judges, and all the moderators to turn on their videos and to show up in screen. All moderators, Ravi Abu, Chand Iraqi, and Munna. and also the host Vipul Shah. Please turn on the video and be on screen. Okay, so the first session was about health, hygiene and environment. And the Best Speaker award goes to Bangladesh, Masuma Moriam. So where is Masuma? Can we see Masuma?
Congratulations.
Can we get Masuma
Congratulations, Masuma.
on screen?
Are you there?
I think Masuma is here. We have to see you on screen. Okay.
It's not online, I think.
Right. So the next session was on youth and leadership. And the award goes to India, Kiran Rathod. Kiran Rathod was the best speaker in the second session, youth and leadership.
Congratulations.
Thank you
Yes.
so much. Congratulations.
Okay. And the third session went on a mixed round of fields. Because when we received so much of presentations, rather than concentrating on a relevant field, we tried to give the opportunity to all the best presenters. So here the award goes to Rahul Kumar. Can we have Rahul Kumar on screen?
Yes,
Rahul
ma'am, I'm here. Yes, I'm here. I have a bandwidth problem, so I can't open my video. Otherwise, my voice will be. Thank you, ma'am.
Congratulations to Rahul for this.
Okay.
Congratulations, Rahul.
Thank you, team. Thank you.
Thanks
Thanks a
for
lot.
marking your presence.
Congrats. Congratulations, Rahul.
Thanks a ton. Thanks a ton.
Please
So the
mute
last
your mic.
session
Please mute
was
your mic,
to
guys.
Shweta Ghosh. Shweta, are you here? Shweta, are you here?
Yes, I am here. Thank you so much, Insta Karim. Thank you so much, Archana ma'am, and all KYLC members, youth leaders, and especially to Vipul sir for coordinating this so much and giving me a platform to share my ideas. I am so grateful to all you guys, and I look forward to all such contributions towards my society. This has given me a very hope towards changing my society. Thank you so much.
Many congratulations,
Thank you.
Shweta.
Congratulations and thank you for your views.
Congrats, Shweta.
So I would like to add a small note. At this point. We had some presenters who were preparing to become a speaker even before they got the confirmation letter. Because I have received to our official email, there were few people who sent us their abstracts and their presentations. They wanted us to go through them, correct them, or to guide them how to do. So I think both myself and Kantariza were engaging in that. Actually, we were really happy to see the motivation and the enthusiasm and how you all were so much excited to join as a speaker. So once we have done all those and then only handed over your presentations to the judges. So I'm happy to say that most of those speakers have got the opportunity to present. And regarding the certificates, I would like to give you a small announcement. All the e-certificates will be mailed to you within 1 week after this conference to the email address which you have provided. So, moving on to the most exciting session, the awardees.
Palpitation is going on. Awardee.
Okay, can I keep my screen? Is my screen
It's visible. It's visible.
Okay,
It's
okay.
visible. Make it a full screen.
Make it full screen, please.
Vijay, can you mute your video? Yes. And Arvind Kumar also, please mute your video. It's a lot.
Right. So with regard to awardees, on our application, we have mentioned 3 categories: delegate, speaker, and awardee. So there were some people who were not aware of how they can apply for an award or do they deserve an award. So we gave an opportunity to everyone who had applied during our first deadline, which was July 18th. They all can submit their documents if they have done any satisfactory work. So now after I read the names and after I give my description, sometimes you might feel I have done some satisfactory work, but I did not receive an award. The reason is this. Point number 1, all these awards were recognized for unpaid services and for working on grassroots level. Number 2, although you may have done work in your own field, if you haven't submitted us the relevant documents with referees and the descriptions, then the team of judges were unable to review. So that is on your side. So we have given all the instructions separately for you all to go through that and to submit everything. So that is why I would like to request you all, at least during another conference or during, no matter what you are going to participate in or what you are going to perform, when you get an attachment through email, please read it and go through what is being instructed, so then you won't get confused. So first of all, I would like to give a word about this awardee. I'm happy to announce that most of these awardees, I think about 2 awardees are first timers, and also we have 2 surprise awards. The 2 surprise awards were not mentioned earlier, or actually their names did not come earlier, but after going through the presentations yesterday, our judges have requested, looking at their service, this service is genuine, so we need to award them. Therefore, there are 2 awardees who were selected as surprise awards, which I will announce the name after giving this announcement. So, the 3rd place goes to Kiran Rathod from India, who is receiving the Abdul Kalam Youth Leadership Award. So, Kiran has
Thank you
been
so
working-
much.
So, Kiran has
Congratulations, dear.
been...
Congratulations.
Okay, I will give you I will give you some time to talk. 2017, from the time he has left school. And when we go through his profile, what we found is there were a mixture of work. Wherever the need was found, within his possible capacity, he has been contributing something. So it was like there were distributing stationaries, then even for plantation, environment, on public speaking. So there was a variety of work, and we have information with all the timelines where we found most of the time, at least once a month, there is some project or some service done by Kiran. So Kiran, I would like to call you to the screen you can give your views or you can explain something about your services and what made you to come to this conference, about your excitement. So I know you are a first timer and now you are taking 2 awards home. Kiran, so the screen is yours.
First of all, it's honor to receive that award. So this is Kiran Rathod from Telangana. Right after I came from small town in Telangana. As I growing up, I had faced a lot of stuff, and I had faced with lot of problems. Right after my schooling, I was inspired by various non-profit organizations and volunteered in some social activities in my locality. Later, with love serving the needy and empowering the youth of this generation, I built up a team and established Youth for Unity organization in Hyderabad. I am currently the president of Respective Foundation, which one of the most growing non-profit organizations. Apart from this, I am a motivational speaker. I took part in Josh Talks and other public seminars to inspire children and youth. Thank you.
Okay, great. Thanks for your views. Is chosen in another very special way. Today we live in a society where people give recognition through ranking, the job status or the background, caste. So we had an individual who were working for farmers. He was creating campaigns, awareness camps and educating farmers, and also he was trying to promote the value of farmers among the young generation, which we felt as a very necessary project, especially in this region, in South Asian countries. Because if you think, in our countries, we have a variety in salaries. The person who is working on grassroots level, or the person who is really doing a great service to the society on cultivation, on etc., are being paid very really low, and they are not being respected as they deserve to be respected. Imagine if a farmer stopped his job, how are we going to eat rice? So the next awardee is going to be Samala Panikumar from India. Can we have Samala on stage, on screen? Samala Panikumar, are you here?
Congrats, Samala.
Congratulations, Samala.
Also, we had
Congratulations, dear. Congratulations.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking again.
He has wrote.
Guys, if everybody will start congratulating him, then voice will be rambling, of course. So congratulate him in chat box. Please don't congratulate him on mic. Please don't use mic to congratulate him.
And he was requesting to give him 70 seconds just to offer his tribute to Dr. Abdul Kalam. Hello?
Intija, we are not being able to listen you.
Right. So can we have Samala? Vipul Sharan, do we have Samala on screen?
Shamala, are you there?
Yes, sir, I am here, but due to raining, I am unable to hear.
You are on a screen now, so you can continue.
Yeah, yes, sir. Good evening, brothers and sisters. I like to dedicate a poem for Abdul Kalam ji. Dr. Kalam ji, aapko salam. You shine like a diamond in this great India. Risen from Tamil Nadu, you have done immense work in the field of literature, adding invaluable services in the world of technology. A stated journey from Rameswaram to Rashtrapati Bhavan. Being poor, you felt the pain of poor. Noted as a people's president, you developed wings for youth with your wings of fire, which says about a great attire, and ignited the young minds of India with your ignited minds, and filled values with your indomitable spirit. You showed us the path for a dream to an action with your My Journey. You always remind us that education is a powerful weapon to change the world. The missile mind of India, Dr. Abul Pakil Jainulabdin Abdul Kalam. Sir, you will always be alive in our hearts. We always recite you at every instant, even your last words that you have said to students. Funny guy, are you doing well? Makes us to even fight for the goal until our last breath. With my immense love and affection, this is my poetry contribute for you. Jai Hind. Sorry for the disturbance. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you so much,
Thank you, ma'am,
Samala
for giving.
Panikumar.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for giving this wonderful opportunity.
Yeah, so we would like to listen about something from you about why did you get the thought for thinking about farmers and to conduct awareness programs among farmers. Also, we found that you have conducted some competitions to promote the status of farmers among the young children. Why did you get this kind of feeling?
Yeah, first of all, my main point is, ma'am, that villages are the farmer has conducted
So now let me move on to the first place. This award goes to Bangladesh. SK Shariat Panna from Bangladesh will be carrying the Abdul Kalam Youth Leadership Award in the first place.
Many congratulations to all the Bangladeshi delegates and of course Kanta the superstar. Congratulations.
So let me give a small
Bangladesh.
Let me give a small
Everybody
description
congratulate him
about
on
SK Shariat Panna. So he has been studying his commitment since 2017 as a public speaker, and since then he has been doing so much of work. It's like even during the quarantine period, wherever the need exists, Shariat Panna is there. So that's the recommendation what I have got from your foundation, to be honest. And there are like so much of things, health campaigns. Then Shariat Panna had a new way of celebrating the Valentine's program with street children. I would like to get the thought about it and all the description about it from you itself. And even currently he's risking his life and he's working for the PCR section, although being a new, I think he just started the work and still he's very much committed to work on that section. And so it's like we are very much happy to have you here. It's indeed a great honor to see young people who are very proactive and who are working on grassroots level like you. So in case, instead of me giving your description, I would like to get your description from yourself itself. Over to you, Shariat Panna.
Thank you so much, everyone. This is how I will continue work for my country, above all for a beautiful world. Truly, this would have been a much bigger inspiration for me, and everyone will pray for me. And obviously, our organization, Utsaga Foundation Bangladesh, always working for humanity, working for country, working for above all world. Thank you so much. Thank you so much again, for team and president and for foundation. And again, pray for me, everyone. Thank you so much. Joy Bangla.
Can I ask a question from you, Shariat Panna? Can I ask a question from you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Now, when we go through your profile, what we found is you have women empowerment camps, then cholera vaccine camps. Also, there were a few other like hygiene camps. Can you give a small description about all that so that the audience would know?
Sorry, I don't clear your question.
Yeah, you have a variety of camps we have a variety of camps, especially health camps, what you are being conducting in your area. The cholera vaccine camp, then there were some disease awareness camps, then the women empowerment camp, the women health camp, etc. So I would like to get a small overview, just a small description about all those.
Thank you for your question. Exactly, Utsarga Foundation Bangladesh working for humanity and all over some dangerous situation we are working. We are in some situation. We are in some camp for critical situation in Bangladesh, and we are arranging a anti-drug bicycle rally above India and Bangladesh. 2019 we arranged a bicycle rally from Kolkata to Dhaka, and exactly some awesome moment we'll arrange that. Thank you, Mr.
পান্না, তুমি আমাকে শুনতে পাচ্ছো?
Yeah, so exactly what we have seen is rather than conducting, whenever the camp is happening, he's on board, he's on action. So actually one of the best qualities what we give everyone, you have by giving them a certain part, and you go. Congratulations to all the three awardees, Kiran Rathod, Samala Panikumar, and SK Shariat Panna. So moving on to the surprise awards. There can be a surprise at every circumstance. So I know you all were not asked to submit any documents because the three awardees and also there were a few nominees who were requested to submit documents earlier, so they had to write books, to be honest. The documents which we received from them mentioning their timeline and all the descriptions with referees, so they had to type books and they had a challenge to do it within 1 day. So I'm very happy to say that all these nominees were really excited and they did it on time, and we received it. So the work made easier to the judges to go through them and to get the feedback. Also, I would like to congratulate the nominees who have been nominated, which I will not publicize the name here. So due to few errors, they are not errors, but we feel, and our committee feel, you could work more and you could grow more. So then you will be given an award next time. It is not a point where you all need to be discouraged, because out of 200 odd award applicants, we have found just few names and made them as nominees, and we have asked them to send us the document. So the surprise awards. Based on the presentations, what you all have encouraged, the certain work is. So let me announce the first name, that is Rahul Kumar. Rahul Kumar?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Are you on screen? Okay.
I won't be able to come on screen. That bandwidth problem I just told you before.
Okay, great. So can you, because we know yesterday actually your name was not on the list, since you are unable to send the presentation. But
Teja, you are not audible.
Costs what you have mentioned to us.
Teja, you are not audible.
If judge had given you the opportunity and finally you are carrying 2 awards home, how do you feel? Yes,
it was good. It was good because.
Sorry?
Am I
audible now?
Yeah, you are
Am I
audible.
audible?
It was good because when I got the mail at 11 o'clock, because I saw the mail at 11 o'clock and I was I was in a flush because I couldn't pop up my name onto that PDF, and I was too worried about, so I started calling late at 11:30 to the channel, but no one picked up the call. So I basically drafted a mail up, and I thought again that no one has responded to it, so this would be an opportunity for me. Once every delegate's completed talk, so I would be pitching it up and I will be showing my issue, what was happened. So basically, I would be thanking the entire team. In fact, Intija, you and Archana ma'am for who was there to listen to me. That what was the issue? Because in most of the cases, you are not allowed to speak. So basically, I'm really thankful for this platform and KYLC team to giving me this opportunity and putting up on the stage.
Right. Thank you so much for your opinions, Rahul Kumar. So the next awardee will be Pramisha Mishra. Do we have
Pramisha?
Pramisha Mishra from Nepal? No.
Do we have Pramisha Mishra
It's
from
all right.
Nepal?
So, what is the? No, we don't have Pramisha on screen at the moment. So it's all right. Now, I would like to congratulate all these awardees. And what is meant by this award? This award is like an encouragement for you to continue your work more and more, to contribute more and more. And this award marks that you have been recognized, your work is recognized and your work is appreciated on an international platform. That is why you are awarded. Otherwise, you were not awarded for your education, for your job. Because there are some applications what we have about their job title. But for your job title, that is, you get a salary. For the volunteer services and for the social services what you are doing, for the unpaid ones, that is why you are getting these kind of awards. So congratulations to all, and we are hoping to see more and more contributions from you in the future. Over to you, Vipul.
Thank you, Intija, for a great session, for announcing all the names on screen. And now we are having our guest, and we are having one of our honorable guardian with us. Dinesh sir is connected with us now. Dinesh sir, are you connected with us now? Dinesh sir, are
hello
you
Vipul.
So
हेलो विपुल जी, आवाज जा रही है?
यस, बिल्कुल आपकी आवाज जा रही है. हम लोग बहुत देर से और बहुत अच्छे से, बहुत एक्साइटिंगली वेट कर रहे थे आपके शब्दों का. प्लीज अपने वर्ड्स रखिए और ब्लेसिंग.
सबसे पहले तो नेटवर्क इशू के लिए चाहे कहीं से भी हुआ हो, मैं क्षमा प्रार्थी हूँ और टेक्निकली थोड़ा कमजोर हूँ, अधेड़ हो गया हूँ. अच्छा, डॉक्टर अर्चना मैम, एस कांता राजा, इंतिजा करीम, सुब्रोदा और मेरा साइनिंग सुपरस्टार जो हमारे हैं, मेरे प्यारे भतीजे मुन्ना कुमार जी, तो और KYLC में अभी उपलब्ध सारे के सारे लोग, और मेरा विपुल सरवन श्रीवास्तव, विपुल वानी, सर्वोत्तम वानी, 55 लोग हैं अभी सब लोग, हम लोग स्क्रीन पे. भाई सबको प्रणाम है और मेरा नाम दिनेश है और मैं उतना ये नहीं हूँ जितना आप बोल रहे हैं, लेकिन इंतिजा की एक बात मुझसे टैली करती है कि वो आपका जो ये क्वालिफिकेशन और सैलरी देख के नहीं तय किया जाता है कलाम लीडरशिप कॉन्फ्रेंस में, आपको देखा जाता है, रिकॉग्नाइज किया जाता है. और सीरियसली सारे के सारे मेरी निगाह में आप सब के सब एक ट्रू लीडर हो, एक अच्छे इंसान हैं आप सब. और मेरा ये मानना है क्योंकि आप अपने घर के और मेरे लिए और इस पूरे विश्व के सबसे खूबसूरत बेटे बेटियां हैं, चाहे कितना भी उम्र हो जाए. तो मुझे लगता है कि आप में से कोई या हम में से कोई गलत कभी करेगा ही नहीं. अगर हो जाए गलती से कभी कोई गलती, तो प्लीज आप उस चीज को पकड़िएगा, रोकिएगा. मदर फादर का भरोसा है आप, और खुद पे भरोसा रखिएगा, ऊपर वाले पे, और सारा काम हो जाएगा. जब झोपड़ी में पढ़ाई करके, झोपड़ी के स्कूल से पढ़ाई करके एक आदमी जो इस मीटिंग में है बैठा हुआ, दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी से पढ़ के सरकारी नौकरी लेके, सरकारी नौकरी छोड़ के 1993 से चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स को तैयार करना शुरू कर सकता है, तो दुनिया में सब कुछ हो सकता है. और वो इंसान विपुल सरन श्रीवास्तव का और मुन्ना कुमार जी का चाचा आपके सामने है. तो परेशान नहीं होना है, परेशान नहीं होना है, बस किए रहना है. और अरे थैंक यू मैम. पिछले साल की, अच्छा एक बात और सबको याद दिला दूं, मुझे भी एक बहुत बड़ा ये मिला था, मतलब ये एनर्जेटिक वाला, वो अब ये ड्यू टू कोरोना हम लोग नहीं कर पाए, नहीं तो अब की बार पटना में इतना भव्य होता. खैर चलिए, नेक्स्ट ईयर हम लोग बहुत अच्छा करेंगे, जैसा कि मुन्ना कुमार जी और सारे लोगों का ये मन है और ईश्वर की कृपा हो तो हम लोग नेक्स्ट ईयर एकदम चौड़े में करेंगे, धूमधाम से जैसे किए थे ना। और सीरियसली हम वो लंच मिस कर रहे हैं जो पिछले बार वहाँ और वो गाना ये सब रियली एक परिवार है। KYLC मुझे तो ये परिवार है यार। तो आप सब यू ऑल आर द बेस्ट, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम गुड। ज्यादा कोई बकवास नहीं यार, ह्यूमैनिटी बस उस पे आप अडिग रहिए ईमानदारी के साथ, और कुछ भी कीजिए तो ईमानदारी के साथ। और ये मत सोचिए कि आप अकेले हैं, आप अकेले चलिए कारवां तैयार हो जाएगा। और सबसे बड़ा उसका उदाहरण इस KYLC के प्लेटफॉर्म पे बैठा हुआ है हम लोगों के प्राउड मुन्ना कुमार जी हैं। अकेले चलना शुरू किया लड़का, और देखिए आज उसके पीछे कितना सारा लोग। तो ढेर सारी ब्लेसिंग आप सबको, फ्यूचर लीडर्स को। और आज कलाम साहब की जो कि विवेकानंद सर और कलाम सर, ये दो ऐसे भारत के नाम हैं जो बहुत श्रद्धा पूर्वक लिए जाते हैं। भाई आज उनकी जयंती है और हम लोग मनाते हैं इस चीज को। तो प्लीज गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल और गिव यू मोर सक्सेस, मोर हैप्पीनेस, स्टे ब्लेस्ड ऑलवेज। विपुल वानी, हाँ पुण्य तिथि आज है, हाँ सॉरी पुण्य तिथि है। तो अमर है वो, तो हम तो अमर बोलते हैं। हम तो कभी भी ऐसा लगता है जैसे कि अरे अब पटना की धरती बहुत पुण्य है कि सर आ चुके हैं यहाँ पे, तो बहुत बड़ी बात होती है। चलिए गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल, और पॉजिटिवनेस स्प्रेड करते रहिए, और चेहरे पर कितना भी परेशानी हो ना, हंसिए, और वैसे हंसिए जैसे मेरा मुन्ना कुमार हंसते हैं, एकदम दिल खोल के यार, पूरा चौड़े में और खुश रहिए। गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल, गॉड सबको प्रणाम, सबको प्रणाम। ओवर टू विपुल सरन श्रीवास्तव।